flat. Oh, she gorgeous. She gorgeous. Yeah. This is a frontal. Here you have the bendable ear tabs over here on the side to help the wig lay flat. And this is their fitted wig cap. Let me show you the difference. Cap fit perfectly. So usually when you receive wigs, they usually come with a regular wig cap, and you should see this purple line. That's usually how the hairline goes on the regular cap wig. But this is usually how the regular cap comes. Even here in the middle, like you see how the wig cap is coming down. Like if this was a regular wig, I would have to cut so much into the actual wig because it doesn't fit. Versus the fitted wig cap. See how it's actually fitting and forming around my forehead? And look at that in the front. You don't have all of that extra lace just coming down right here. And what this snug fit is going to do up here is prevent you from having ripples in your lace. I'm not sure if you didn't had that before, but it's not fun. So this fitted cap is going to prevent that. Look how this lace isn't covering all the way down here on my ear. So you see how it's like a more snug fit over here? And then look at the overall size of the cap. It fits me like a glove. So this fitted cap is the same as this fitted cap on the wig. So let's go ahead and put this on. So let me show you how the wig fits really quick. Okay, so look at how this wig is coming down right here. You see that? Perfect. All right, let's take a look at the ear tabs. The hairline is actually coming down and around my ear. So here you have these bendable ear tabs. This right here on the actual wig, the bendable part that you can bend down or whatever to make sure that you have a snug fit, even if you don't want to glue it down. These tabs are here to help you. Look at the hairline. It looks so natural. It's pre-plucked. It's pre-bleached. This is their Swiss lace. Thankfully, this is a fitted wig cap that actually fits down on my forehead. So that will help prevent ripples in your lace. What I mean by ripples is when it kind of give you that look across your hairline. Ooh, it's the worst. It's a nightmare. And some people might think, oh, it's the way I installed the wig. No, it's your wig. It's your wig. And with this fitted cap here, you can prevent all of that. All right, so let's go ahead and install this wig. So usually I add my ball cap underneath, but not today because this is a lazy girl install. We're still gonna get this lace to melt. So step by step, really quick. So basically, instead of putting a ball cap, the reason why I usually add a ball cap is so I can add more glue here. Instead, I'm only going to add lace glue right in front of my hairline. And of course, if you do not want to add adhesive, you know, you can just use Hold and Spray, or you can wear this unit glueless. And I know some of you guys are going to be like, Tarika, this is not lazy girl. Yes, it is. It's lazy girl to me because usually I would take my time, spend about 30 minutes doing my wig cap, adding glue all through here, letting that dry. Like, it really is lazy girl. The girl said, get it, get it. The girl said, don't. And you see this, it's not touching my hairline at all. I'm right in front of it. This is also beginner friendly for someone that is just starting off using adhesive. Okay, now I'll go ahead and bring this down. Make sure the hairline is in front of my hairline. I'm gonna just hold this for a minute or so before I release one of my hands to blow dry it. So that I won't get this all over, I'm just gonna spray it on my finger and just dab it right along the hairline. Right at the edge. Blow dry that in sections. Same thing on the side tab. Alright, and that's dry already. Now, go ahead and put on my band. Okay, let's do. Alright. Get out your mind, cause you'll see. They don't know what it is. And because I didn't put on a ball cap, I will have to go in and put concealer on my part. If I did have that ball cap, I wouldn't have to put so much work into defining this part. But that's okay. After I cut my lace, I will go through and section this hair, hot comb it in sections, just to get it really flat. You know, and there's so many shortcuts we can take. You know, we still want to slay. Actually, I'm going to define this part right now because it's bugging me. I'm going to use this concealer. Look at that already. Now I'm not gonna bring my concealer all the way down here. I'm just gonna, you know, just like to fade it out. Okay. Actually, let me take some pressed powder and set it as well. Okay, that look good. Now let's go in and cut the lace. See how amazing that look? And I'm just going to just snip at it. Just nip at it. Cut up around the side tab. Alright, now I'm going to use this Sea Breeze. If you do not have any Sea Breeze, go to the hair store, order from Amazon, and go get you some. This only costs $5.59 from my local beauty supply store. That I don't use too much because I now use this to get my wigs off. Like, it comes right off. So I'm just only going to dab the edges where the white is at. Ooh, my burnt mark. I'm not taking it all the way back like where the glue is, and it can lift that or not or anything. And this is actually my makeup rag. That's why it looked like this, but I only use it to like swipe my brushes in between me doing my makeup. Not even like to clean my brushes, just to swipe it. And look at that. It's just going away. Now I will still add some makeup. Look at how well that worked. And like I said, this will remove your wig. I had on a wig yesterday using lace adhesive. I did like this. Slid right off. Alright, let's let that dry. Alright, now take my cream foundation and just go over the edges. That's all. See? Okay. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. And I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hair. I don't think so. It just look good. Cap fit perfectly. Look at my hairline. Okay. That's all for the install. Now let's style it. All right, let me get this part a little flatter. Yes, it is flat, but I want it flatter. So this spray is messed up, so I just take the top off and just rub it on my hair. Smooth that in before I hot comb it because I don't want to fry my scalp. Also brush it a little. And I'm not putting it up here on my hairline because I want that loose. I just want this flat. Just using the back of my hot comb. And then I go in and use the teeth a little. And that's how you get it flat. Like if only the spray was working. This is crazy. Yeah, you see me on flat. Be right back. You see now it look really good and flat. Okay, now got to be glue. Let's put a little bit right here. Like, you just have to do what needs to be done. And that's what needed to be done. I'm happy with it. Nice and flat. And just go across my hairline one more time with this holding spray. Y'all, I'm really being extra right now, but it's all working out. So just do it. I'm going to tie it down one more time while I do my makeup. Just right here at the edge of the lace. Just one more time since we cut the lace. That's all I need. Do my makeup, come back, run the flat iron through it really quick, and that's gonna be it. Okay, this side is dry. You want to make sure it's completely dry. Okay, now I'll go in with this little stocking here. It's actually a pair of the little foot stockings that you get when you're trying on shoes at the department stores and stuff. I just tied two together. Put this, really want to put it on the edge where the lace is. Okay, now I will go ahead and do my makeup and we're gonna wrap this up, okay? The video. What is it giving? Is it giving long head? I don't know. Do I need layers? I think I need some layers. All right, I'm gonna do some layers in the front. Cause it's just like, it's too blunt. Making my head and chin look longer than what it is. Let's cut it and then bump it. Do that little look. Angle from my chin down. Not too much. Okay, you see. Oh, that look good already. Ooh, let me take it up just a little. Oh, that look good. Period. Oh yeah, I don't even want to bump it. I was gonna give it that tight bump, you know, y'all been saying that, but I don't need that. All right, that's it. All right, y'all, so I'm ready to go out and take pictures. This looks so good. That looks so pretty. So I have on this, it's just like a little mini print dress. I got this from Goodwill. I mean, it's my entire closet Goodwill, just about. But maybe 2 summers ago, I just put these on to be comfortable. Tory Burch, my sissy gave me these. And then my mink baby. This is really my husband's. Mine, I don't know, maybe upstairs somewhere, I don't know. But I have the exact same one, it's just a size down. And we got these coats from Burlington Coat Factory. Yeah. But yeah, this is what it is giving. So cute. Somebody come stop me. And it's freezing cold outside, but it's gonna be real cute real quick. You know, I got on my fur and that's it. Yeah, my pictures, baby. The pictures are eating. I mean, the body is bodying, baby. Oh yeah. Either one. So, okay, this flat. Oh, she gorgeous. She gorgeous. She gorgeous. I can't stop singing stuff. Okay, Tarika. Be for real for 2 seconds. I mean, more than 2 seconds. Be for real for like a minute. Okay? Okay.